It's in the worst spot because you can't lift that up anymore. We've already put everything up against there. You can't get in there because it's in the middle. It's not actually in a spot you can get to without lifting up the basin. What up, everyone? Here we are on project number 21. It's probably the last time I'm gonna be in shorts and t-shirt, unfortunately. But right now, check out that beautiful sunset that we get a look at behind us. This time of year is these amazing sunsets. Oh man, and what a beautiful view. And this is just a beautiful home in Minnetonka. I'm really excited for it. It's a small pondless waterfall, a 2,000 to 4,000 gallon an hour pump that is adjustable via Wi-Fi, so there's an app on the phone. It's gonna have 3 underwater lights. We're gonna have some huge, cool, custom picked out boulders. All right, let's have another fun build. I'm excited. Are you? Thank you. Let's have fun. Watch along. Mark, Brad, Justin built 4 aqua blocks for you guys, so you don't have to worry about doing that on Monday. And it looks like we're gonna put together a check valve and pump for us, get that ready, figure out which way we want the plumbing to go out. We'll drill our holes. Then we're gonna drill our hole for our top off line so that we can put that on. And it's just more stuff to get us ready so that when Monday comes, we're in a good spot, or the next working day. So that's kind of what we were doing. Again, we're losing daylight fast. It's about 5:10, but we're just doing what we can to get ourselves in a good spot. And that's the view we're gonna have. That's our before footage. So, you know, if you kind of imagine sitting up on their deck, walking out there, what's the first thing, you know, looking out your windows, doing your dishes, you're gonna wanna look at a waterfall, aren't you? You're gonna wanna have that sound projecting towards the house. Trying to have some fun here on project number 21. Last time I was here, I showed you I was in shorts telling you, hey, we got snow coming. Well, it's Wednesday morning and the snow hit. But what I'm happy about is we did what we could to plan for this. So we had bales of hay down, we had tarps weighted down, and our working area technically will be safe to work in. We don't have any ground that's frozen, we don't have any snow on the area, so we are gonna be able to build our waterfall. As long as we have running water, we'll be able to even plug it in and say, check this out yet again. All right, guys are just cleaning up all this hay for us. We have a small pondless basin that's gonna go right in this area. We've got a gas line we have to worry about. Luckily, that's not gonna interfere. We're more than 3 feet away from that, so we're gonna be able to dig. So we're gonna come in here, we're gonna start with our spray painting of a plan. I'm gonna set up our time lapse for us. We're gonna spray paint our plan out, and then we're gonna let the guys and we're gonna come in with the excavator, we're gonna dig the hole, they're gonna do the hand digging, and then we're gonna go from there.
Salad for lunch.
That's good for you. Healthy.
That's not what I got. So
yeah, when the waiter came and he was like, I'm gonna take drink orders.
Yeah.
Justin went with water, so.
I kind of set the pace with the water.
Is that what you were waiting for? Like, oh, damn it.
You can't go last and be like, I'll have
I guess we're not getting pints, are we?
Yeah, let me get a beer with a beer chaser and a whiskey shooter.
No, I'm Justin. Sorry, it's not
Mark.
my channel. He's over there. Admiring the sunset.
Hi, I'm Nick the Pond King. Thanks for joining us today. This is my channel, Nick the Pond King. All right, we're all ready for weather. So if we get bad weather and then it's gonna clear up again, we'll be ready to come at it again. Good day today, guys. Good day. I got my hands full. I don't know if anyone else knows the clap. Then everyone's hands are full. We do a good job. Despite all the challenges and the weather, we're still having a great day. We made a lot of progress today, and we're gonna just show you what we did. Waterfall is going well. Now we're just kind of unloading the dirt and getting ourselves set up so that when we come in on Monday, we have a high chance of finishing. But we got our waterfall in a good spot. Got some good building rocks right there. All right, so we're gonna have this awesome waterfall where it's gonna twist into a waterfall, twist again into a pooling area, and then it'll drop down into our basin. It's gonna look fantastic. And that's it. Thanks for joining us. We'll talk to you soon. Hey, good morning everyone. How's it going? It is Monday here. Today we are going to get above freezing. It's still a little chilly this morning. Well, we got a lot to work on. We have plumbing, we have the diffuser to set in place, we have foaming, we have lights, we have gravel. Yeah, we got plenty to do ahead of us today, but I think it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna be able to get water running. As long as there's water turned on outside and we can fill this up, we should be able to see this running today. By putting these rocks on there, might have to tweak it a little bit just to get it to overhang more, and I saw, oh no, we've got a Sharpie in there. And Brad already did this, but it's like the operation game. It's in the worst spot because you can't lift that up anymore. We've already put everything up against there. You can't get in there because it's in the middle. It's not actually in a spot you can get to without lifting up the basin or knowing how to play operation.
Hopefully it wasn't just like first time's a charm.
Yeah.
Touch the sides quite a lot.
Doesn't matter, we got it out. The water's not gonna turn black now. Ooh, it is cold out. The sun went down and you can totally feel it, but you know what? We got warm hearts because we finished another project. Ready for it? That's right. Check this out. Sponsored by Pond King Water Gardens. Living works of art, 1 yard at a time.